What's up everybody? Welcome to another awesome video. Today I've got my ex-partner and my new partner on one boat. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and it's on this beautiful Eliminator that Jean has previously purchased, and see how it feels to fly on this beauty. Look at this deck space. It's insane. What a beautiful boat. Well, let's get to some fishing in this cold, misty Bronkel Spruit Dam, and let's have a bit of fun. Wish us luck.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
How crazy is it? The three of us are fishing the front of the boat.
Yeah,
That's, I mean, it's not taking the pleasure of how comfortable I am. Like a net, nice one. Today we flipped it, boys. Nice. Well, at least it's growing a bit. Okay. Back.
Right in front of us was like two around the bend here, but honestly, nothing. He says because he's got Valesco, he says that they suspended in the middle, but it's like we've only been catching them. Pops it up, and then as it goes and falls, then they bite it. So
Makes sense. The bite has been very funny.
yeah, it's better than it's worse than what it was a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, no, we were here for comps, and it was fishing awesome.
Yeah. So good luck.
Thanks, man. You too.
Thanks.
Like that one you caught earlier. Oh, a lot better than those small ones that were coming out.
on the rocks. Let's go spot now.
Ag nee man, hierdie klein visies op die drop shotties. Yo, bro. On, good one.
I 200 now, and then the bird as well.
Nice. Look at you catching a lekker fishy. On drop shot. Maury. Yes, he's barely hooked. Oh, dude.
He's hooked properly.
Ah, there you are at the bottom. Okay. Well, that's a better fish of the day. Drop shot, eh?
Drop shot, eh? But the bite is so sneaky. Yeah.
Nice.
Where's your net?
Today we boat flip, boys.
Find the visual span.
Nice.
That's a soft egg, dude. This is like a doom. I thought I got stuck on glass.
There we go. Oh, I don't know, it just pulled like crazy. I don't think so, but hey, finally got a decent fish.
How to keep that?
No. Heavy bugger, shit. Oh, finally, jeez. Look. That was a cool bite though. It's been a while. You've got your boat now.
It floats and it goes.
You're happy. Beautiful boat. I gotta say, personally, fishing it all day, space is amazing. Stability on the water is something else. The boat runs nicely. It does need a little bit more oomph. It's either that or maybe a different type of prop just to get that onto plane. But once it's there, it cruises though. With 3 of us on, pretty good. Definitely, if I had the money, I would get one. Zaid is thinking about getting one. We'll see. Hey Zaid, what was your thoughts on the Eliminator today?
Yeah, it's a beautiful boat, eh? Amazing deck space. Super wide, so you can fish probably even 4 up. It's quite comfy. But it's impressive in the rough water.
Yeah, very stable, very nice. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that. Wasn't many fish we caught, but was a fun trip with the boys. This boat is awesome. If you guys want to go check it out at Hurricane International Eliminator boats, check them out. I'll put a link in the description at the bottom. But an awesome boat, so go check them out, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.